a few weeks ago. It all began as a simple biking trip. I decided to go on a bike ride through an unfamiliar forest. It was a sunny day. I thought it would be a great adventure. Little did I know, I was about to encounter a truly thrilling situation. As I ventured deeper into the forest, the trail became more intricate. Before I know it, I had lost all sense of my direction. The forest seemed to swallow me whole, and panic started to set in. I had no cell phone signal, no map. It was a nerve-wracking situation, to say at least. The thick canopy blocked most of the sunlight. The trees were twisted and tangled. With every step I took, I couldn't shake my sensation of being observed. But it is so empty and silent, like no life can survive there. The path is so struggle to go by, and I try to console my bike as much as possible. The lucky thing is that my bike is so durable and incredibly comfortable because the bike is so light. It was like riding on a cloud. I didn't feel tired at all. The bike's sturdy frame held up well against the tough terrain, giving me the confidence to keep going. I rode all day and rest only at night. I was riding the bike for 3 days, and finally, I found a way back. Absolutely! The bike gave me strength and endurance I need to keep going. Without the bike's reliability and comfort, I'm not sure if I would have made it out there.